Perfect. Thanks, guys.
The kids get cookies.
Ganito lang.
Hey, I'm the kid. Come on.
Come on.
I ate about 7 of them a day.
See you guys in a bit.
Yeah. Say hello. Yeah.
You can have it. Here, give me that.
Kasi hindi naka-YouTube lang, naka-video lang.
We're gonna go on an adventure.
Let's go, guys! Walang kapitan dito? Ano to?
Choo-choo.
I'm scared. Pala daw.
Parang kinabahan naman ako.
Dito ba? Baka mahulog tayo dito. Wala, nahulog! Lug!
Ganito lang tao.
No, that...
Ganun ha?
Papapaspas. Hindi, kaya ganon.
Later on sa taas.
It's gonna be big. It's gonna be nice.
Alam mo naman ako, medyo ano ako sa ano.
Nice.
Doon tayo sa YouTube. That's nice one.
Do you know I climbed this kuya? Twice already.
Nag-hike kami dito.
Yeah, we hiked this twice.
Oh, you know when I first got back from Banff, I hiked this at least 12 times in like a month.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well,
Yeah.
this is not so bad to to hike kasi on top you can have a fun there.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
I gained so much weight. So when I came down here, I hiked it 12 times and I lost so much weight. That's the technique. Just go hiking.
So, if I'll do that, I'll lose weight again.
Too much weight. You don't need to lose weight. You need to gain weight.
Oh,
You don't need
yeah.
to lose weight. Look at Tito.
That's my target. I want to gain weight. Okay.
Okay, no way.
Kita man nagati nga kapsat ni iso na ti pinakamatanda, iso na ti pinakaubing. Atoy sakit ti ulo ni mamang, sakit mat ti ulo ni tito. Tuada. Tapos amom ti niya tinamanak, kasakit mat ti ulo.
Ay, tayo dyan, guys.
Ay nako.
Ashley, nandito ka sana.
Oh. Para meron pang extra na sakit sa ulo si Ashley.
Wala eh.
Ang ganda ng mountain dun sa bakla na
Hindi nabibilis to ah.
That one,
Hindi bibilis na dito may turbo.
Tignan mo dun,
Wow,
it's
that's
pretty.
Oh, wow. Oh, may ano
That's
doon.
the Rimrock Hotel,
The
right?
river, oh.
Yeah.
The blue one.
Did you guys went to Lake Louise?
Huh?
Lake Louise?
Who?
Kayo? Kanina? Itita mo?
No, that would have taken like 45 minutes to like 2 hours. How long did we take? It wasn't that long, was it?
It is kind of.
Yung nagkulang lang yung elevator music, wala.
Nakakatakot naman to. Oh.
Don't look
Lalim.
down. Don't look down. How many feet ka dito, anak?
How do you feel? How do you feel? It's good?
Still good.
You scared yet? Are you scared?
No.
Nobody's scared.
I'm not.
Yeah.
Yung gumagalaw-galaw lang doon ako na
It's getting cooler and cooler here.
Kailangan ko talaga Tylenol. Kapag
Why?
kasabot ko ngayong dalawa. Dalawa yung sakit sa ulo eh.
Pag may ito, mag-Tylenol, no?
Mag-Tylenol lang. Kapag last name mo Javier or Barret, kailangan mo dapat may Tylenol.
Bukas pala to.
Oh, tito, pwede na yung talon.
May pala
Yun lang sa
That's
naman-
why it's cold.
Yeah. But this isn't heated. It's not properly insulated either.
Oh yeah, let's look at
Oh, pumutok na yung tenga nyo?
No?
Not yet?
No. Kuya,
No, I'm good.
tatalon ka na?
Wala ka ng buhay dyan pag tumalong ka dyan.
Ay, nako.
It's scary. It's nice if all the trees are turning white, but they don't have much branch. It's like they're losing it. They're dying.
Oh, ano na yan?
Yeah, it will be like a hammock there on top, right, Kuya?
Nangangato niya.
Nakahawak ako eh.
Ngiti mo, Obram, no? Ati buo nga matinag. Uri man na nakahawak ka. Butang ka talaga dito? Kasi lang?
Hindi, okay lang.
Okay, good.
Pag ganito, okay lang ako.
Ang dapat lakmak na eh.
Hamang aglak talaga.
Talon.
Hang agopen lang ata.
Ayaw ko lang yung
Iduron mo, Kuya.
yung ginawa natin sa ano dati.
Iduron mo.
Oh, may
Gopet.
Yung hinahawakan mo nga tito, yan yung nagpapa-open. Huwag mo hawakan yan. Naka-warning nga para sa'yo, tapos hinahawakan mo din.
Nilalong ko muna.
Hindi, yan talaga nag-open mo. Tignan mo caution. Sabi niya moving parts.
Pag parang
Lord! Sana tayo?
Patay tayo dyan, sabi niya.
Ganon. Bumalaw. Doon ako natatakot.
Kuya, take the one that is going down so that we have another view.
Ewan ko ba
This
bakit
one,
hindi kumano yung ganyang angat. Fear.
Fear of heights, you did it in Golden too.
Wala nang choice. Kaysa dumaan ako sa tulay. Ayaw ko yung tulay.
And then sabi niya, can we go back? Oh, it was Aldrich. Can we go back again?
Tito, magkano to? Bili mo bago?
Oo, bago yun.
Gusto ko nga din eh.
I
That's
don't know how
last
much
year
is
na
that.
yan na.
That's the latest one.
2 years.
Latest one?
Yeah.
This will be done
DJI.
the 26th. This month.
Anong matatapos?
26.
Anong
The
matatapos?
phone.
No, I'm
this
talking about
one.
this.
About
Oh, I don't know where
DJI.
it turns around, right?
How much did you pay for it?
I think it's naikot yan eh.
Mga 200?
Hindi ko na matandaan.
I will borrow when we go to Quebec.
Sabi ko na lang, bigyan ko na lang 200 ngayon dito. Iwan mo na to.
Where did you get that, Kuya?
Binili ko.
Saan?
Pogi yun eh, tito. Tignan mo, nahiya pa.
I think that's Amazon.
I think so. I bought in the Amazon.
Amazon, Kuya. So you can buy it in Amazon.
Yeah. Maybe I want one, but just a smaller one. This one's huge.
No, that's a purpose, guys.
There's another one that's better.
Oh, look, it flipped out of nowhere.
Oh.
Okay!
Then the top,
Tignan mo, mag-flip mamaya dito kapag mahulog tayo. Tignan nyo lang.
Tumigil ka na.
Makita mo yung ibang
Oh, diba? May
POV.
ikot yan.
Umiikot ba? Oh, we're almost on the top.
Contula.
Yeah, if you focus to climb this one every summer, it's nice. It's not so bad.
Yeah, but it's switchbacks.
I know.
Nung,
I hate
like the
when
last
you-
time I did it, I didn't have like proper winter shoes. I did the Nike again. No, it wasn't bad because I had your sticks, right? But when I had your sticks, I still kept slipping with my winter shoes or with my
Well,
regular shoes.
Of course.
Yeah, but look, I still don't have it. It's just
Crazy.
shoes. And look, chinelas pa. Oh.
This one I thought.
This is probably
one,
like
Adin gave me this one.
your Uggs.
Yeah.
Did you get Uggs too?
Well, some of my Uggs are free. I have another one. I have 2 Uggs.
Kasama ko po
Hi.
ngayon, mga madlang people, ay mga pinakamakulit na Javier at Barrett. Right? Pinakamakulit. Yeah. Wow! Lupit ng tingin nun, no?
Who's
Parang
Barrett?
hindi naging Barrett nung isang isang buhay. Nako naman. Parang may reject lang, oh. Na mo, ipopost na mamaya sa Facebook, may iya si mama, oh.
Hi guys.
Oh, hi guys, mga madlang people.
Welcome to,
Ngayon po, may
welcome to my YouTube channel.
welcome to my YouTube
Oh,
channel.
wow.
Wow,
Anak
nakadelikado
ko.
pala pag lingon sa baba. Ako na.
May
No,
nahanap
take a picture so that you can.
May nahanap po akong dalawang pulubi galing sa baba. First time nila po dito sa
No,
taas.
it's not my first time.
Me, it's my first
Oh my
time.
God, the mountain are so
Nagawas
cool.
tulog ka.
Ang ganda ng mountain.
Wow.
Taga saan tayo sa Pinas? Mountain. Saan tayo ngayon? Mountain.
Taga-bundok daw tayo. Oh, look at someone is hiking or
Ay,
no?
mga taga-bundok talaga tayo. Muntikan na nga tayong
Ayun, oh.
igurot eh.
Oh, may mga ano.
There's hikers.
This is the detachment. Magdi-detach tayo. Diretso tayo sa baba. Oh, ikaw na tito. Nasa sayo na.
Oh,
Ikaw na yung vlogger. Bakit mo yun? Huwag ka mahiya. Ano ka
Hindi,
naman?
babaguhin ko yan. Punta tayo sa YouTube ko.
Ulo, bakit talaga sa
I-stop mo na.
YouTube?
I-stop
Okay.
mo muna.